Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to copy Facebook profile link on laptop or PC as well as on your phone. So let's just go to our Facebook Mail application here, and then you have to go to your profile icon. Once you go here to your profile icon, click on the three dots, go to the bottom, and here you will get this option, your page link, your account link, and you can also share directly from here. For example, if I just go to share, I can copy this link here, and I can just go to my web browser, and here I can paste it up and open it up that Facebook account at that page, right? So this is how you can just copy this up, and this really easy. And this is it, guys. I hope you found this video. By the way, you can also do the same thing on laptop or PC, right? And in the laptop or PC, it's become more easy to do this. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.